I'm going to show you how to download and install apps on your iPhone. So the main avenue to do this is just through your iPhone App Store. So let's go to the App Store. And what we're going to do is we're just going to search for a random app here. I'm just going to type in, let's go with Monopoly here, Monopoly. And go ahead and search that. Doesn't matter what the app is. Now, there are apps most apps are free, but there are some apps that you would have to pay for. So keep that in mind when you're going through to download these apps. So on every app, you're going to have an option here that says get on the right-hand side, and that's just going to allow you to download it on your phone. So go ahead and click get. Some apps will require you to use your Face ID or a passcode or to use a double click on your side button here like it is with mine. So I'm just going to double click and then it's going to use my Face ID. And then that eventually is going to start to download onto your phone. Now, it'll take some time depending on your phone speed and your Wi-Fi speed, all those factors, but it's just going to download. It's not really a big deal. So once that is done downloading, you should get a notification or it'll just say open. So you can open from here, but let's go find it on our actual phone. So we're going to close out of our App Store. And it may just drop on your phone here somewhere, but it may not. So what we can do is go ahead to our app library. So swipe all the way over to the right, and as you see, it says recently added, and that Monopoly app is here. So what we can do is actually click and hold, and we're going to drag that to our home screen. So now it's within our pages on our app, but that's it. It's super simple and super easy to download and install apps and then go find them